Welcome to part 20 of Daily English. Today's situation. Daily Conversation Review. Hello. How are you? Example. Hello. How are you? I'm great, thank you. My name is Anna. Example. My name is Anna. Nice to meet you. I live in Hanoi. Example. I live in Hanoi with my family. I'm a student. Example. I'm a student at Green High School. My favorite hobby is reading. Example. My favorite hobby is reading before bed. I usually spend time with my family on weekends. Example. I usually spend time with my family and watch movies. I'm going to study English tomorrow. Example. I'm going to study English after school. Today was a great day. Example. Today was a great day because I learned something new. Let's practice English every day. Example. Let's practice English every day together. Mini conversation. Anna, hi. My name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Tom, nice to meet you too. Where do you live? Anna, I live in Hanoi. I'm a student, and I love reading books. Tom, that's great. What are your plans for tomorrow? Anna, I'm going to study English. Let's practice together. Daily tip. Reviewing what you've learned helps you remember vocabulary and speak more confidently. Practice a little every day to improve quickly. Speaking challenge. Introduce yourself, talk about your school, hobbies, city, weekend, plans, and your day using everything you've learned in parts 11 to 20. Congratulations on finishing Unit 2. Subscribe for Unit 3. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.